Okay, now it's time to replace the habit. So based on your observations and everything that you know about your habit, think of similar activities that create the same feelings and the same benefits and satisfying the needs that you're satisfying right now with the unhealthy habit. So let me give you an example. If you're eating sweets because you feel lonely, then you can replace that with exercise with a partner. So when you eat sweets, you boost your dopamine, okay? So you feel that instant gratification. But that also happens with exercise. Exercise does that as well. Then working out with a partner takes out the loneliness part of things out of the equation. So you're left with similar benefits, or even more if we think about it, when doing something healthier. So that these are ways of thinking of similar activities. So based on your unhealthy habit, think of activities that you could do that satisfy almost the same needs or more, that give you the same benefits, okay? And also visualize yourself performing those similar activities, because that also gets your brain moving into taking action. Alright, so that's about it, about replacing the habit. I don't want to give you too much information because you're going to feel overwhelmed. So think of similar activities and you will have that in the next assignment, okay?